If you are in the graph editor in Blender 4.0 and you want to see only your selected curve keyframes, meaning I have the X curve selected here and I want to see only that, that's that red line, but I'm seeing the Y and the Z as well. So like if I want to, box select or something, I'm getting a lot more than I bargained for. I'm getting keyframes on the Z scale as well. So when I move things around, I can accidentally hit something I don't want to. So how do I make it so I'm only seeing keyframes on my selected curve? Well, this used to be under View, but it has since moved in Blender 4.0 and beyond to your Edit Preferences menu. So if you go to Preferences and then hit Animation, and then scroll down to Only Show Selected Curve Keyframes. You'll see right off the bat that's worked, and I've got only my selected curve keyframes visible. So now I can easily box select, grab what I need to grab. I'm not going to accidentally move anything. And if I want to move keyframes on a different curve, I just select that curve and it's available to be manipulated however I want. So that's it. I hope this helped you guys. I find this really helpful and like to leave this on. And if you found it helpful, give it a like and check out some of my other videos. Thanks.